Most adults walk around dehydrated without realizing it. Not dangerously dehydrated, just low enough that it affects your energy, your focus, your skin, and even your mood. Even a minor drop in hydration can lead to brain fog and fatigue. It's the silent thief of your daily productivity. The reason is simple. We get busy, we forget, or we rely on coffee and think it counts toward our daily total. Spoiler, it doesn't. While coffee has its place, it can't replace the pure H2O your cells need to function at their peak. Today, I'm going to explain exactly why this happens and share 6 simple automatic habits that fix it for good. Most people don't feel thirsty until they're already dehydrated. Your body's thirst signal is actually delayed. It kicks in after you've already lost significant water. So you go through your day thinking you're fine, but your body is running low. Common barriers include busy schedules, forgetting to refill, not liking the taste, and mistaking hunger for thirst. Step 1. Start your day with water, not coffee. 1 glass in the morning hydrates your organs and sets the tone for the day. Think of it as a wake-up call for your internal systems before you hit them with caffeine. Step 2. Use the bottle rule. If the bottle is near you, you'll drink. It's about proximity, not willpower. Keep one at your desk, in your car, and on your counter. If you have to go look for water, you've already lost. Step 3. Add flavor without sugar. Use lemon, cucumber, or electrolyte drops to make the experience more enjoyable. If you enjoy the taste, you're far more likely to keep reaching for that bottle throughout the afternoon. Step 4. Use the half your body weight rule as a target for ounces per day. It's a simple metric that scales to your needs. This ensures you're getting exactly what your specific body type requires to maintain optimal performance. Step 5. Fix the afternoon crash with water instead of a snack. Your brain is 75% water. Often fatigue is just thirst in disguise. When your brain is hydrated, your cognitive speed, memory, and mood all see an immediate improvement. Step 6. Pair water with existing habits. Every time you check your phone or sit at your desk, take 3 sips. By stacking water onto things you already do, hydration becomes an effortless part of your day. Most adults are dehydrated because they forget, but with these systems, you don't have to remember. You just have to exist. You'll feel better and have more energy. I'm Scott, and that's your top tip for today.